നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവായിട്ടുള്ള മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്മാൻ ഗ്രേഡ് 3 സിവിൽ ട്രേസർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 453/2014, 7/12/2015 നടന്ന എക്സാമാണ്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോവാം. 21. The inclination of a stair to the horizontal should be limited to, correct answer option C, 30 degree to 45 degree. Question 22. For ranging a line, the number of ranging rods required is, correct answer option B, at least 3. Question 23. The true meridian passes through, correct answer option D, geographical poles. Question 24. The chord of a circle is, correct answer option A, a straight line joining the end of an arc. Question 25. A four-side figure in which all the sides equal but the angles are not the right angles. Correct answer option D, rhombus. Question 26. The 30-meter chain is divided into dash links. Correct answer option B, 150. Question 27. Dash is an error in compass survey. Correct answer option D, local attraction. Question 28. Compass box is made of, correct answer option B, brass. Question 29. Scale of chords is used to, correct answer option A, measuring angles. Question 30. 10 inch is dash centimeter. Correct answer option C, 25.4. Question 31. Scale 2 centimeter equal to 1 meter. RF is, correct answer option C, 1:50. Question 32. Concrete work is measured in dash unit. Correct answer option C, cubic meter. Question 33. Delta of a crop means, correct answer option D, depth of water required by the crop. Question 34. The strength of concrete is directly proportional to, correct answer option A, water cement ratio. Question 35. A GI pipe has a coating of, correct answer option B, zinc. Question 36. The standard length of a rail for broad gauge is dash meter. Correct answer option B, 13. Question 37. When brick is cut into two halves longitudinally, one part is called, correct answer option C, queen closer. Question 38. The upper horizontal member of the door frame is called, correct answer option B, head. Question 39. In surveying, the measurements are taken in dash plane. Correct answer option A, vertical. Question 40. The curvature of earth is considered in dash surveying. Correct answer option B, geodetic. Question 41. A solvent commonly used for oil paint is, correct answer option C, turpentine. Question 42. In the manufacturing of cement, burning process done by, correct answer option D, rotary kiln. Question 43. Soundness test of cement is done by, correct answer option A, Le Chatelier apparatus. Question 44. The portion of a road used by vehicular traffic is, correct answer option C, carriageway. Question 45. The rocks are formed by molten magma is called, Correct answer option A, igneous rock. Question 46. Trimmed size of A2 drawing sheet is. Correct answer option B, 420 by 594. Question 47. 1 kilogram is equal to dash pounds. Correct answer option D, 2.205. Question 48. The graduations in a prismatic compass is dash. Correct answer option D, all the above. Question 49. The principle of compass survey is. Correct answer option B, traversing. Question 50. The datum adopted for India is. Correct answer option C, MSL at Karachi. Question 51. In which bond alternate courses consist of headers and stretchers? Correct answer option A, English bond. Question 52. In ashlar fine masonry, the joint thickness is does not exceed. Correct answer option B, 3 mm. Question 53. Diagonal scale is measured to dash unit. Correct answer option A, 3 consecutive. Question 54. M10 grade concrete stands for. Correct answer option D, 1:3:6. Question 55. Concrete of road construction recommended slump is. Correct answer option D, 20-40. Question 56. The inclined or splayed surface of the abutment of an arch is called. Correct answer option A, skew back. Question 57. The wedge-shaped unit forming the courses of an arch is. Correct answer option C, rise. Question 58. The horizontal projection of head or sill beyond the face of the frame of door or window is dash. Correct answer option C, horn. Question 59. The triangular upper part of a wall formed at the end of a pitched roof is called. Correct answer option B, gable. Question 60. The small blocks of wood which are fixed on the trusses to prevent the sliding of purlins is called. Correct answer option A, cleats. Question 61. The outer line of an object are drawing. Question 61. The outer line of an object are drawn using dash pencil. Correct answer option B, H. Question 62. Dash line shows the edges of the section plane in geometrical drawing. Correct answer option C, cutting plane. Question 63. Dash vernier is provided in ebony level. Correct answer option D, extended. Question 64. The length of standard 45-degree set square is. Correct answer option A, 20 cm. Question 65. The size of numerals used for writing tolerance is dash mm. Correct answer option A, 3.5. Question 66. Dash dimensioning system is used in engineering drawing. Correct answer option A, aligned. Question 67. The eccentricity of a hyperbola is dash. Correct answer option C, greater than 1. Question 68. Each deflection angle of a pentagon equal to. Question 68. Each deflection angle of pentagon equal to dash. Correct answer option B, 72 degree. Question 69. Sandstone is a dash rock. Correct answer option D, sedimentary. Question 70. Dash is a mineral. Correct answer option A, quartzite. Question 71. The average weight of a brick is. Correct answer option D, 3 to 3.5 kg. Question 72. The hardness of stone used for road work should be greater than dash. Correct answer option C, 17. Question 73. The maximum increase in volume when water is added to fat lime is dash. Correct answer option B 2.5 times. Question 74. Allowable slump for concrete used for road work is. Correct answer option B 20 to 28 mm. Question 75. The percentage of copper in high tensile steel is dash. Correct answer option C 0.4%. Question 76. The method adopted to increase the bearing capacity of black cotton soil is dash. Correct answer option D compact the soil. Question 77. Joints are usually joined in ashlar masonry. Correct answer option D flush. Question 78. Dash bond is used in brick masonry for carrying heavy loads. Correct answer option C English. Question 79. Dash is an example for lengthening joint. Correct answer option B fished joint. Question 80. The area enclosed between the rails in a door is called. Correct answer option A panel. Question 81. The outermost support of an arch is. Correct answer option C abutments. Question 82. The proportion of lime cement plaster for DPC is dash. Correct answer option B 1:1:6. 83. The survey conducted to study the customs and relics of the past is called. Correct answer option B archaeological survey. Question 84. The principle of optical square is dash. Correct answer option C double reflection. Question 85. The accuracy of survey depends upon the accuracy of dash measurement. Correct answer option A baseline. Question 86. Bad ranging is a source of dash error. Correct answer option A positive cumulative. Question 87. Most accurate type of crossstaff is dash crossstaff. Correct answer option B open. Question 88. Dash is used for measuring the bearings of lines in fast needle method. Correct answer option A theodolite. Question 89. The dip of the magnetic needle at equator is. Correct answer option D 0 degree. Question 90. Dash is the method of plane tabling adopted for locating inaccessible points. Correct answer option D intersection. Question 91. The vertical distance a point above the datum is called dash. Correct answer option A elevation. Question 92. Leveling carried out along the given route to find the elevations of points at known distances is called dash leveling. Correct answer option C profile. Question 93. When the length of sight is more than 100 meter, the staff used is called. Correct answer option D target staff. Question 94. On geographical map, relief of Earth surface is usually represented by. Correct answer option C contours. Question 95. Contour interval of mountainous region is dash. Correct answer option A 2 meter. Question 96. The accurate rule for computation of volume is dash rule. Correct answer option B prismoidal. Question 97. The instrument used for measuring the area from plan is dash. Correct answer option D planimeter. Question 98. Ebony level is used for dash. Correct answer option D area determination. Question 99. An example for kharif crop is dash. Correct answer C jowar. Question 100. The cross drainage work in which the HFL of natural drain is above the bed of canal is called dash. Correct answer option B, siphon aqueduct.